Hi folks, today I'm going to walk you through how to share a YouTube video on Google Classroom. First, you're going to find your YouTube video. Now this could be a video that you uploaded yourself or a video that you found online. I'm going to select this video here and I'm going to press the share button and I'm going to copy that link. Now I'm going to go over to my Google Classroom and go to the Classworks tab. Under the Classworks tab, I'm going to press Create and I'm going to select Material. Here, I'm going to go through the process of adding a title and the description. If my students tweet anything after watching the video, this is a great place to put this in the description. Then I'm going to select Add and go to YouTube. You can also search for a YouTube video here, although I often find it easier to select URL and paste that URL in. And then I can click on the video and hit Add. Now, if I want to push this out to multiple courses, I'm going to go to this drop down and select the courses that I want. I'm also going to select a topic like what are we doing today or my current unit so that my students have easy organization. Now, if I wanted this to be an assignment because I want to create or add material to this particular video, I'm going to press Create and I'm actually going to make it an assignment. I'm going to go through the exact same process and I'm going to post that video. Then I'm going to add an additional resource. So note that you can add multiple resources under one assignment or one materials tab. I'm going to go to Google Docs. And let's say I had a handout that went with that video. I can make a copy for each student, and then they could submit evidence of their learning after watching the video. So again, go through the same process over here, and when you're ready, press Assign.